Hey girlfriends, my name is sharonnjasminn and I am coming to you today with my fall time curly hair routine. So as you can see, I am in the shower. I am just letting the water run down my hair. I'm going to take a sulfate-free purple shampoo for my blonde curls and I'm just massaging that into my scalp, making sure that I get it really nice and clean, so that all the dirt is rinsed out of my scalp. Once all of the shampoo is rinsed out of our hair, I take my deep conditioner and I start applying it from the ends of my hair and I work my way up. With a wide tooth comb, I detangle my hair and I make sure that every single strand is coated with my deep conditioner. Notice that the same way that I applied my deep conditioner is going to be the same way that I detangle. So always from the ends of my hair to the root. Once everything is applied, I'll take a hair tie and I will just tie my hair into a low bun and I will let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. After that, make sure that you rinse all of the deep conditioner out with some cold water. After drying my hair with either a microfiber towel or a t-shirt, I then like to add more water and make sure that it is very moisturized. To continue adding moisture, I use a leave-in conditioner and I rake that bad boy through my hair before actually starting the styling process. Now, onto the good stuff. Notice that my hair is parted into different sections. You can do quadrants or as many sections as you'd like, and I will rake in the styling cream into my hair slowly and then make my way over the gel and do the exact same thing. Okay, girlfriend, so this next part is key. My hair is already sectioned and I take my Denman brush and I brush out away from my scalp, and then I shake up those little bad boys until they are back into regular curls, and I scrunch at the very end of the entire section. And that is the magical process that gives you the magical curls that you want. So that process is repeated everywhere. It may take a while, but it's totally worth it. With all the product that's in your hair, it's very likely that your hair will feel heavy. So what I like to do is grab a clean t-shirt and scrunch up all of that extra water and product out of my hair. This will help with the drying process and it will scrunch it up one last time before we let everything dry. After air drying, we run into a small problem called a gel cast. So my hair is kind of stuck to my head, as you can see, and I like to take a Jamaican black castor oil, put that in my fingers, and just massage my scalp and just fluffing out all of those curls. And voila, just like that, we are done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.